Would you like your kitchen and bathroom to be hygienically clean and fragrant? All the more so when you receive visitors. The enzymes in Orthoganic's organic bathroom and kitchen cleaner dissolve residues into odorless individual elements. Stains can be eliminated without any chemicals, removing the cause of the odor. But when that's disappeared, the enzymes don't stop working. They fight dirt and odors before they even develop. From toilets and urinals to floor drains to organic waste bins, stove doors, fireplace coverings and kitchen surfaces, all will be hygienically clean and smell fresh. Try the organic bath and kitchen cleaner from Orthoganic and be convinced.